We'll start our preparation for the bird animal frolics by lifting our arms up to shoulder height on the inhale and gently floating them back down on the exhale. Inhale and exhale. Step 1 foot forward and lift one arm up in front, the other arm to the side at a 90-degree angle. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale through the nose and gently allow them to float back down. Inhale, slight turn at the waist. Exhale down. Letting go of the old to make space to pour in the new energy that we'd like to receive. When you're ready, you can change legs and repeat the same movement. The front arm lifts up in front of you on the inhale and floats back down on the exhale. The outer arm remains at a 90-degree angle throughout the flight. Now repeat this movement again. Inhale as you step forward. Exhale, let the arms float down. Now inhale, both arms float up, and as you exhale down, lift the back leg off from the ground. Let your arms be by your side and take flight. Feel the balance, find your balance. Feel the strength in your leg and come back down again. Let's repeat on the other side now. Foot forward, slight shift of the weight, and then exhale. Push your leg, your back foot off the ground and take flight. Step forward, bend your knees, turn a little on the right heel so the foot turns out. Shift your weight forward and come onto the back toes. Turn and look at your right arm as it moves behind you. Your left hand stays near your lungs as we stretch and work our lungs. You gaze behind you. Return back and forth, inhaling and exhaling, pumping the lungs. Inhale, look back. Exhale, return to your lungs. And then we switch to the other leg and repeat. Inhale, expand your chest. Exhale, sink the chest. Inhale, look back, bird gazing. Exhale, return to your chest. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Feel that strengthening in your legs. Feel that groundedness. Inhale and exhale, turn. As we stretch our lungs and turn to the center. Inhale, your arms up and down, up and down, as we transition into our next movement. Bird takes off. Inhale, bring your arms up to shoulder height. Lift your leg off from the ground. Inhale, raise your arms up, and then exhale, close and lower. Inhale, expand. The chest opens, and then exhale, allow your chest to sink. Moving the energy around the front and the back of the lungs, creating strength on the leg that you are standing on. Balancing on one leg as we fly. Now place that front foot on the ground and lift up your arms, tilt and start to soar. Flying high in the sky, flying above any worries, any problems, looking down on everything looking really small as you fly high above everything. And now let's move on to the other leg and repeat the movement. Inhale up, let your left leg be up and then start to soar. As you place your left leg down on the ground, explore the sky, maybe close your eyes, feel the energy underneath you, feel the energy all around you. Feel that spaciousness. Breathe into it. Feel that expansiveness, that freedom and that lightness from being a bird. And now come back. Bring your feet together, bend your knees, and cross your wrists over your knees, bringing them up towards your face. On the inhale, exhale, float the hands back down. Inhale, crisscross. And now move to the other side, turn. Inhale, crisscross, and exhale, back down. Inhale, stand up tall. Exhale, bend your knees back down again. Turn back to the center, continue the movement. Using our wrists and then turn to the other side. Our wrists are our emotional protection points. This is a beautiful exercise to help protect our energy field from the environment all around us, from watching the news, to other people's energy, especially negative energy. Inhale up, exhale down. And then just have your hands by your side and feel landed back on the ground below.